yale ya Meru yathira ni Ruto na kindiki bagwatanira kawira bakuria Meru kuthira na tukiuga akimandu ya sawa sawa na itisa sawa kindiki na ratwenderie na ndikindiki gwe marieto ja kweja remunyarekiro urugero tuko na njamba ije igamba wauga ire ritwe kenda gwe gamba wenka gamba kana unakura ngiri magana jana nayo je naja kindiki kario wa ukua watiroka gwatamba weta monyo agukua watiroka gwatoragani weta Sniper agukua wauga seneti ukagwata inyoro waeja ni mbecha weta bwakara noro waeja ni mbecha urona atyo kori kindiki mwanke nejwa kwa daraka na kia ura ajukirie yonde ya tonyere daraka uratige uri minister wa interior ende watiga ng'ombe ikia watigania ng'ombe ikia wegembe gutisa dikotekorwa terasima Meru ejenge na meri nyene ne kenda daraka yukira terasima urage Meru ejenge ne kenda daraka yukira you can build daraka at the same time okay build Meru kende can be a statesman tiga manto pete tiga manto jako regionalism tiga that level of pettiness Meru itokwenda kuona deputy president wa Kenya no wanda Kiambu aja na Nyeri bagwa appointirwa no deputy president baga appointirwa CS batatu kanabana rega Meru re Ruto pura ngiri magana jana has been left in the cold. We are not as foolish as we look.
Na nonto nande professor na kinyanambe mondene Kenya iburarero tutetheria kurukia mwana wetu woro kisiasa nande itoweta antu bawendi bobweya Kalonzo Musyoka Rigathi Gachagua Wamalwa Natembea na bobange bonge baraba kuiba bena sympathy na antu ba Meru na mwana woro
na kirage gakuonokia Martha Koome tigo radical sanjare in the judiciary authority ba mamuyes na ba mamuyes ba bange narwa in Meru the talk is imbe chingana traikeria njanji kenda magamba za gambo in our favor. Justice Martha Koome, you have a responsibility. We want to see you act. The judiciary is now no longer a judiciary, it is a judipesa where money is ruling supreme. We want to call upon the Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, Honorable Martha Koome. Martha Koome, I want to sound you out. The smallest boy in the village is aware that you are leading an outfit of bandits. You are in charge of a den of the most corrupt of judicial officers, the Mwamuyes and other Mwamuyes. It is not a secret anymore. You have rotten apples in the judiciary. Martha Koome, the only way you can redeem yourself, the only way you can redeem your name, the only way you can redeem judiciary is to make sure you do radical surgery. You effect the radical surgery in that judiciary, because right now we look at it with a lot of disdain. We look at the judiciary, we view the judiciary with a lot of pragmatism. We view the judiciary so negatively. Every one of us is so apathetic when we think matters judiciary, because it is no longer a judiciary, it is a judipesa. Mannerings. Your outfit, Martha Koome, is mortgaging justice like any other commodity in the commodity market. They are mortgaging justice just like we are mortgaging cabbages in our local markets. We are mortgaging pumpkins in our local market. That is how your outfit is mortgaging justice. Redeem your name, redeem the judiciary, redeem your office, redeem Kenyans. Let me assure you, come next year, Meru is going to chart a political direction if you people don't change.
Our problem is just this. How come Meru has disappeared from the national map of Kenya? How come Meru has disappeared from the political map of Kenya? We are number 5, actually number 4, in providing the multitude of votes for any government. Our people are not happy. They are saying even if no minister was appointed, even an ambassador, how come even no ambassador has been appointed in this group? We are saying the Meru people are tired from being taken for granted. Meru people do not to be political nomads anymore. Meru people want to be treated equally with other people, with the other ethnic blocks, because we have a right to be in this country just like the Kikuyus have a right. We have a right to be in this country just like the Luos have a right, and we have a right to be in this country just like Kalenjins, have also a right to be there. So we are not asking to be favored more than the others, but what we are against is being discriminated against. We have all voted correctly. Our people are actually surprised that President Ruto seems to have forgotten them so quickly. So, I reminded about the old story, which we have always complained about the cat and dog politics in Meru. When you want to hunt, you look for a dog, get into the forest with it, you kill an animal together, but once the animal is killed, the dog will chase it away. And even after the meat has been served and eaten by others, the dog is chased away with the bones, and the soft meat is given to a cat, which has not been hunting. So the Meru people are asking for their right. We are tired of this politics. In the last regime, we are complaining about Mau Mau roads. Meru said Mau Maus, they never got any roads here. There are no Mau Mau roads. This time round, they were trying to correct that, but we find ourselves in the same ditch. That it's like our car is parked by the roadside, and then we see other cars just passing by the road. We have said time has come for Meru to walk in the middle of the road. Time has come for Meru to be in the map like other communities in the country. Time has come for us to chart our own destiny as a community. We are giving President Ruto some benefit of doubt. We want to look at this situation. We want to analyze the underlying causes. We want to see the threats through Christmas and New Year. Next year, we are going to have a mega meeting of all the Meru leaders, of all from the church, from politics, from farmers, from teachers, and we ask ourselves, what is the curse of Meru? And then we address that curse. And it's very simple to say, the final decision, the final political decision of Meru people will be made after all these holidays next year, and after we have seen how we are being treated by the High Court next year.